Okay, next part of the kata from left leg back would be left leg into Sanchin, Kaki UK block. Now that's, Kaki UK block speaks for itself, but why are we turning behind ourselves in the first place? So it would possibly be, unless I've got eyes in the back of my head, you know, and we've got a sixth sense that says, ooh, Steve's going to punch me right now, I'm not going to do this. You know, but let's say, for example, he is punching. It would be this way. So let's say, for example, he is punching. Whichever arm you want from the Kaki UK block. And then we reach forwards, grab, pull, strike. And you can use the same bunkais that I've shown you for the other side, really. So rather than it be eyes in the back of my head, which I don't have, let's use it from a shoulder grab. Now, if somebody's going to grab your shoulder, chances are they're going to want to pull and turn you around. Reason they want to do that is purely because they want to punch you in the head, okay? It would be very rare that he would grab me with his left arm, turn me around, and expect to punch me with his right arm. Alright, so that's probably not going to happen, okay? But have in mind that 90% of people on the planet are right-handed and the other 10% are left-handed. So let's just assume that he's in the majority of people that's right-handed, which means he will want to punch me with his right arm, okay? Which is going to change things again. So we'll go with the right arm punch scenario because that's the more dominant arm. So he'll probably grab me with his left arm from this side, and as he's swinging me around, there can be my hook, my Kaki UK block. And then from this position, pull in. That's all I need to do. Now, as you can probably see from this position here, this is exposed. We can now strike. We can put the strike in here. We can put the grab, pull, punch in here as well. So we can come around 1, 2. Notice that I'm grabbing his left arm to take it out of commission, and from this position here. So now what he's going to do is he's going to grab. So I want to turn to the left. So let's say now he's going to grab me with his right arm and turn me the way that, you know, the other 10% of people work. So he grabs with the right, that's it. And then from here, as he swings, rather than him hook punching and me trying to do a matrix and avoid, I want to get there first. No, we just go hook punch. I want to get there first, boom, here. And then I can protect with this. So it will be this direction here. So I'll be striking my Kaki UK to the face. Okay, so that's, again, and you can move into this straight afterwards. It's all fairly self-explanatory. It doesn't necessarily have to be from a turn. Just because in the kata we turn, that doesn't mean that you have to turn. Alright, so the kata says turn around and block, but it could be from this angle. So it could be punching with his right arm, blocking, striking, striking. Okay, there's my grab, pull, punch there. So just a hook punch again for me. Kaki UK. There's my Kaki UK. Grabbing, pulling, punching. Now because of what's exposed, we're not going to go to the sternum, we're not going to go to the collarbone. We're not going to go to, we're probably going to go anywhere above the collarbone. And we're not going to use a punch either, we're going to use teisho. So we're going to pull in and strike this way. So after a Kaki UK, we get this. Block Kaki UK, strike with the solar plex hand. This solar plex hand can also be this. So he does punch, blocked, pull, strike. There's my grab, pull, punch. I've extended forwards, grab, pull, punch. We've also got the elbow, you can't see from this side foot. I'll do it from here. As it hooks, 1, 2. As I extend, 3, elbow to the chest. We can also have elbow to the throat as well. So you have that. And then what happens after that? Well, we can move into, after this position, grab, pull, punch, we come around with the right side. Right side, tetsui. Now, I've changed the tetsui to go around towards the neck area, not the top of the head. I'll show you why. So as he does his hook punch again, 1, 2, 3. We come around with the right side, yep? I'm not going to turn 180 degrees like the kata says. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up, turn. There's my turning point. Hand comes around. Now instead of pushing him this way, I'm going to use this across the chest and push down, striking down. Make sense? I'm waiting for people to say yes, Sensei. So from the other point of view, hook punch comes in, one, grabbed, struck, step forwards, grab, pull, punch. From here we turn to the right, so the right leg would come up and we'd turn to the right. Now we can either execute knee to the ribs and still step down. Notice his body weight drops as I step down. I'm not going to step down here. I'm basically going to rub my leg down on his. And then my right hand comes across and just helps him on his way. So rather than coming this way, comes this way.